The information age, also called as the digital age, is the time in history when technology became centered on information processing and communication. Computers, the internet, smartphones, and digital networks now play an important role in everyday life. This period began in the late 20th century and continues today, transforming how people learn, work, communicate, and do business. Historical background. The information age started with the development of early computers in the 1940s and 1950s. These machines were originally used for calculations and data storage. Over time, computers became smaller, faster, and more affordable. In the 1960s, the invention of the internet allowed people to share information between networks. By the 1990s, the World Wide Web made the internet public, enabling instant communication and online access to knowledge. In the 2000s or in the 2000s, smartphones and mobile internet became common. These gadgets allow people to connect anywhere and anytime, making technology part of daily routines.
Characteristics of the information age. The information age has several key features. The first one is the digital technology. Digital technology means the information is stored and shared electronically using computers and mobile devices. Example of this is when you stored some pictures and documents in Google Drive instead of using paper files. So the second one is the instant communication. People can send messages, make video calls, and share data worldwide in seconds. The third one is the automation. Machines and software performs tasks once done by humans. Example of this is the ATM machine, which we can withdraw cash without bank teller. That is example of automation. The second one is the artificial intelligence. Smart systems assist in areas like healthcare, education, customer service, and transportation. Example of AI is ChatGPT, Siri, or Gemini. That is the example of AI. The last one is connectivity. Social media platforms and digital networks connect people across the globe. So examples of connectivity is Facebook, Instagram.
Impact on society. So first, social impact. People now communicate easily through social media and messaging apps. Online communities and distant relationships can be maintained, but excessive screen use may affect mental health, and face-to-face interaction. Second, economic impact. The rise of online businesses, freelancing, e-commerce, and digital services has created new job opportunities. At the same time, some traditional jobs have declined due to automation. So third, educational impact. Students can learn through online classes, educational apps, and digital libraries. Teachers use technology to improve instruction, while students must develop digital skill and information literacy. Last, political impact. Government use digital system for public services and election. However, misinformation and cyber threats have become serious issues. And that's all.
Challenges. The information age also represents difficulties, like digital divide. Not everyone has access to devices and internet connections. 2. Cybercrime. Online scams, hacking, and identity theft are increasing. 3. Misinformation. False news spread quickly. Privacy issue. Personal data may be collected or misused. And the last is the job displacement. Some jobs disappear due to automation. There are also opportunities. Despite these challenges, the information age offers many benefits. Global access to knowledge and communication, new careers in technology and innovation, advancement in medicine, education, and environmental solutions, and lastly, faster and more efficient business operations.
Conclusion. The information age has transformed society by changing how people access information and communicate. While technology presents challenges, it also provides great opportunities for learning and development. By using digital tools responsibly and improving digital education, society can maximize the benefits of this modern era.